Hi and welcome to Spice and Pans. Today we'll be cooking long beans and potatoes with minced meat. So let's start cooking. We are proud to announce our collaboration with Pots and Pans Culinary Studio. Our local Chinese delight course features 10 of our dearest recipes for you to learn hands-on at Pots and Pans Culinary Studio. The experienced trainers here at Pots and Pans are prepped and ready to share with you the offline experience of our dishes. Join us in our exclusive local Chinese delight culinary course. Sign up with the link below or scan our QR code. See you there. Now we will shallow fry our long beans first. I'm using medium heat. Heat up your oil. How do we know that the oil is ready? Using a bamboo chopstick, place it in the oil. If you see bubbles rising up like this, that means the oil is hot enough. Cut the long bean into sizes like this, about your finger length. Make sure you dab them dry a little bit before we put them in. This is about 180 grams of it. We just need to fry this for a while until it blisters a little bit to make sure that we get rid of the rawness. Now of course, if you don't want to shallow fry this, you can boil this also. But boiling will absorb a little bit more moisture and it will not be as tasty. I prefer to do the shallow frying or deep frying way. You'll know that it's ready when there's less bubbles in the oil. You're getting rid of the moisture so that later you can absorb the gravy that we make much better. Deep frying will also retain its beautiful emerald color like this. This is slowly blistering up. Just a few more seconds and we'll be done with this. Right, as you can see, they are blistering up like this, and that means that this is done. We'll remove the long beans from the oil now. Do not turn off the heat. If we turn off the heat, the long bean will absorb the oil. Drain it out a little bit, put it aside. Now we'll deep fry our potatoes. I have with me over here 480 grams of potatoes, cut into strips like this. Spread them out a little bit. We'll fry them until they are a little bit golden brown, or when they are cooked. Using the same heat, we'll just cook this for a while. Why we are frying the potatoes first is because, firstly, it will be cooked, and then later on it will be much easier to put the whole dish together. Secondly, it will not break up that easily when we stir fry them. Just move them around a little bit. This will take a while. I'll show you how they look like after I'm done with them. We've been frying the potatoes for a while already, and you can see that it is browning. We'll now remove the potatoes from the oil. Remember not to turn off the heat. After we are done with this, we'll pour away most of the oil, leaving behind approximately 1 tablespoon of oil. I'll see you back in a while. Now we'll put the dish together. Using medium heat, add in 1 thumb size of ginger, minced. I'm using young ginger, so you can do the same. Once you start to smell the beautiful fragrance from the ginger, we'll add in our minced pork. 180 grams of minced pork, put it in. If you do not take pork, you can always replace this with mutton, beef, or even chicken. Mash them up, make sure you separate them, move them around. Make sure that you have the minced meat in contact with the wok. We'll just brown this for a little while. Once you have sort of minced them up like this, we'll add in our garlic. 3 cloves of garlic chopped, put it in. Move them around, fry until you can smell the beautiful aroma from the garlic. Once you do not see any redness in your pork, we'll add in 1.5 tablespoons of spicy broad bean paste. Add in also 1/2 tablespoon of black bean paste. A few dashes of pepper, 1/2 teaspoon of sugar. Mix them up well. This dish is supremely delicious with steamed rice or even with porridge. Or you can actually top this on top of your boiled noodles or even pasta. Look at how beautiful the color is. Once you have mixed them up well, we add in water. Add in 300 milliliters of water. Move them around. We'll make sure that this comes to a boil before we add in our long beans as well as our potatoes. Once it starts to boil, we'll add in our long beans. And of course, our potatoes. Put everything in. Just mix them around. Gently, of course. This dish will be so good. Have them in contact with the sauce. Let them boil for about a minute or two. Just so that all these beautiful ingredients will actually merge together and form the ultimate delicious dish. We are using the same medium heat right now. I've been cooking this for about a minute or so. So now all we have to do is just thicken this up with some cornstarch solution. Slowly pour in your cornstarch solution and you thicken it to the consistency that you like. This is going to be so delicious. Look at how pretty this is. This could be just a one meal dish. Look at how pretty. Once you have thickened it to the consistency that you like, just turn off the flame, serve it on your serving plate, and it's time for our lunch. And now the dish is done, let's have a taste. There's something about spicy broad bean paste that I really love. Let me mix it up with some rice. Big mouthful of this. The taste of the minced meat with the ginger, with the spicy broad bean paste, the black bean paste. This is really amazing, especially with rice. Fantastic. So ladies and gentlemen, I hope you like our video. Do click like on our video and do subscribe to our channel. And now it's time to cook. See you. Bye bye. Wow, 香。好吃。